I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 1 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. Make sure your car's engine is off and cool to the touch, ensuring safety. You'll then need to locate the headlight assembly, which is at the front of your vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for replacing your bulb. Now let's get to the bulb. Turn your steering wheel fully inward to give yourself better access to the wheel arch liner. Next, you'll need to remove the access panel within the wheel housing. A flathead screwdriver should help with the retaining clips. Once that's off, locate the rear cover of the headlight assembly and turn it counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb housing. With the housing open, carefully unclip the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Then, unclip the bulb itself and gently pull it straight out from the housing. When inserting your new H7 bulb, handle it by its base or use a clean cloth. Avoid touching the glass, as oils from your fingers can shorten its lifespan. Ensure it seats properly before proceeding. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and replace the rear housing cover, turning it clockwise to secure. Then, reinstall the wheel arch access panel, making sure all retaining clips are firmly in place. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it's working correctly. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. This simple process will have your BMW 1 Series shining bright again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.